You know, a few years back, I had this shift, this mind shift of what kind of company I was running. See, so many of us identify with what we are. Like, I'm a chiropractor, I'm a real estate agent, and that's the product or service that you provide. That's not the type of company you are. And in a recent mastermind, I shared with this group the way to look at your business and what kind of company that each one of us are. And when you make that shift, it's gonna change everything with you look at your business and how you implement all of the tactics and strategies that you have for your business. So I wanna share that brief conversation with you now.
So Russell Brunson has funnels, has all that stuff. But because he has the software, what most people don't know is that he has created, 25 multi-million-dollar funnels of his own. Meaning, yes, he owns the software, he started that company, but he also uses it to create. So for example, he's a big supplement guy. So he created a short value ladder that's 3 steps, low, mid, high, for supplements. He found a company that will basically white label a supplement that he tested out, he loves it. It's his brand. It's not called the Russell Brunson supplements or whatever. I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, Supplement Secrets. That's great. I know, right? That's good. But anyway, that launched when we were in Boise, like when we were there, that launched that week. I'm like, first of all, why'd you launch it while you're running a mastermind? But yeah, it was doing it did like $20,000 the first hour. Like insane. But the concept is there. Like he had a guy come to him, this guy came to him and was like, hey, I created this one blows my mind. He created a cream or something like that kills a cold sore like as soon as it starts to show. And he went to Russell, he's like, look, I have this product, I don't know how to market it, I don't know how to do it. Russell's like, well, it's easy. Like we create a funnel, you do this, 3 steps on a value ladder, and we'll target everyone on Facebook that has ever, and Google that's ever searched for cold sore remedy or anything like that. And they did it, and that became a 2 Comma Club funnel. The only reason I share that is like we get so stuck in a box. Who would have thought the guy has a funnel that has a product that kills cold sores? Like, what? Okay, same process.
That's important.
Right, but it's the same process. That's why I was saying to you yesterday, like it's a muscle, and I was really I wasn't doing a good job explaining it. This is just a tool.
I'm trying to force my brain to just think real estate because that's what's been told to me, like, master this and then go to
And you
this.
should start there.
Yes, and by using the muscle analogy, there's cold sores and dry skin and
Right.
beard oil and
You're right.
all the crap people ask me about. Like, I'm in real estate, I don't know.
I'm watching your wife's face as you talk. Sorry.
People stop me on the street. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Yes, you can touch it.
Yeah.
It sounds like
Your
that's
beard,
really
right?
hard.
Yeah.
Let's go. Depends on what part of town.
Yeah.
No, but that's helpful. It's like
jeez.
start looking at it as a mindset
Yeah.
rather than how do I force this product or industry into this round hole.
Yeah. Well, and the mindset is this. This is the second thing I thought about coming in this morning was a shift I made probably 2.5, 3 years ago was I kept looking at myself as a networking company. Networking. And I shifted to we're a marketing company whose product is networking and education.
Say it again.
We're a marketing company whose product is networking and education. And the reason why that shift was important to me was because now this becomes my focus. This is just the product we developed that we deliver. So how did that show up? It showed up like this. It showed up by me going, okay, I need to buy tripods and cameras. I need to hire videographers and bring great people onto the team. I need, like, not all at once, right? But step by step. But if I never shifted to that mindset, I was doing too many things of being a networking company, not a marketing company. And here's the cool part. When you become marketing minded in a marketing company, no matter whatever happens in the economy, you can always shift product or service.
So why couldn't we be a marketing company
That sells real
that
estate.
sells real estate?
I'm not saying why couldn't you, I'm saying you should.
Big shift.
Write it down.
Well,
Oh, she
let me,
missed it?
let,
It's yours, John. It's yours.
now it's yours, your idea. She missed it. It went right over. Good. But I'll give you a good example. I think Bobby does a really good job of this with his roofing company. And now you've even started a marketing company, right? And so did I. I started a marketing agency. Like I have a partner in why? Because I was like, I made that shift. I saw it. And I was like, okay, there's other entrepreneurs that need to start somewhere. And if I can at least help them fill that gap till they hire their own teams, then that's what I want. I'll build that out because I know what I've done now. I think you should look at yourself as a marketing company. Not a consultant, but a marketing company that does consulting.
It's really no different if you think back to Keller Williams. They called themselves an education company that sells real estate. They called themselves a tech company. That was questionable.
Right.
But they don't necessarily put themselves in the box of a real estate company.
Right. It just changes. It almost is like graduating. Like when we start to look at ourselves like, I'm this, and then you realize, no, I'm this that sells this. Like you just graduated up to a level, right?
Hey, so isn't that interesting, right? For each of us to now look at our business as a marketing company. When you look at yourself as a marketing company, the way you deploy all of your tactics change. Hey, if you found this helpful, go ahead and share it and like it. And what we do here at Master Networks is we bring people together who are trying to market and grow and network and grow their companies. And if you'd like to learn more about what we do at Master Networks, hit us up at masternetworks.com and come be part of a moving network that is full of like-minded, learning-based people who are here to connect, share, and prosper.